So we look at question number 4. Diagram A to D show 4 different graphs. In each case, the whole graph is shown and the scale on the two axes are the same. So first, please tick in the box in the table to indicate which description, if any, apply to each graph. There may be more than one tick in any row or column on the table. So whether it is a function, we will check. To check whether it is a function, we use the vertical line test. So vertical line test, from behind go until in front, we don't touch 2 points, then it is a function. So this is a function also, this is a function also. But B not function. Why? B they touch at 2 points. Okay, so B not a function. And then whether it is a one-to-one function, then we will use the horizontal line test. So it is first it must be a function. Then only we check whether it is the one-to-one. So we touch 1 point when we do the horizontal line test. So when we have more than 2 lines, then this is not one-to-one. This is not 1-1. This is not function. Okay. So one-to-one function, C and D is one-to-one function. So a function that is its own inverse, the function that is its own inverse is C only. Okay, the function, it is a function that it is also the inverse for itself, because we know that the inverse is refracted in the line y equal to x. So when we refract this one in the line y equal to x, then it's look like the same. But this one, when we inverse, no, it is not. So C is correct. A function with no inverse, a function with no inverse. So function, then A is a function, and then it don't have inverse because it is not one-to-one. So not one-to-one, then no function, no inverse, no inverse. Okay, so this one, both of these, they have inverse. Okay, they have inverse. But for this one, the inverse itself is the function itself. Okay, so this will be the answer.